So since we have all these luggage organizers, so I think it's very easy to pack in over here. We'll pack in one by one all the stuff, and it goes quite easily since we have the organizer over here. Since we have the organizer, so it goes in very easily in, and it makes life very easy for me to shove in all the luggage inside. It's so easy. So here it is, it's all packed and ready. One bag, all the clothes, shoes, everything inside one bag. This luggage organizer that I got from Amazon, it's made my life very easy in packing, and it's really organized my luggage. Now let's move on to the other bags. By the way, I ride a Triumph Tiger 800. So I am using panniers also with this bag. I have the aluminium panniers that's come with the bike. So I'll show you how I packed the luggage for the panniers. So for the panniers, again I got a bag. It's like a squarish bag, an organizing kind of bag. Again, this is water resistant. I don't know whether it is waterproof or not. I got to check it. But well, it's water resistant for sure. It's not very costly. It cost me around 800 odd bucks, this bag. So yes, worth the money. And since I wanted my luggage to be in one bag and easy to carry off the panniers, so I just bought this luggage. Again, in this bag, one of the panniers, I have these medicines. It's like an SOS kit. So we are 4 riders, so I carry all the kits, medicines for everyone, first aid kit and etc. In this I have again some more medicine, some Volini, some Band-Aid, some fresh tissue wipes, etc. This I have some on the road, some chai, ready-made, this Girnar chai or coffee, whatever I like for on the way. This bag has got some inner gloves for riding, some wristbands, knee support. I got some ligament tear and a meniscus problem, so I need to wear this, and some balaclava, XYZ, all these things, they go in this bag. So this bag is handy. So this is all the stuff that I might need on the road, so that's why it's on the pannier. Here I have the liners, the warm liners for my riding gear, my riding jacket and riding trousers. So I won't be needing it now, not before I reach Tawang, so I'll just put it in this bag. Again, a little bit of stiff neck, stiff back, maybe some anxiety, so just carry it with me so that it doesn't give me a problem. Yeah, so life was made very easy because of this bag. So we quickly put the stuff in this bag and see how it fits. Yeah, and the size is perfect for the Triumph Tiger pannier. This bag is a perfect fit. I had tried it, and it actually makes life very easy. You have a bag like this, so all these stuff straight away go into the bag, and we are set. I also put my GoPro mount etc. on in this bag because I guess in the way somewhere we stop for some photography or something, so you might need this. So all this goes here. So does my neck support, Gala Kapatta. This you might be wondering what this is. So this is a hot water bag. Maybe I have a stiff back or a stiff shoulder, so you can just put some hot water and you can just do some hot water therapy for your stiff shoulders, backs or muscles. That's for this bag. Coming to the next bag. So in the other pannier, what I've done is I've kept all the spares and tools and tackles which we might need on the road. So this is a kind of a tool bag that I've made, Jugaad again. In this I have some rubber gloves. I have a tire pressure monitor, some surf, and some spanners, some range for opening tires, some cable ties, a nose plier, a multi-purpose plier, and what else do we have in here? Again a cloth, multi-fiber cloth to wipe the bike, a chain cleaner, chain cleaning brush, a multi-purpose screwdriver set, some Fevikwik, a pair of scissors, a pen knife, and a packet of M-Seal that is missing. So I don't know why I'm carrying it, but then just a thought came in that I might as well carry a packet of small M-Seal, so I will carry that. So that was for the second pannier bag, and let's pack it off back again.
Here goes the toolkit, it's quite heavy. Here goes the chain lube, the cloth, the socket, tire inflator, extra pair of gloves, helmet cleaner, knee support, knee guard, whatever.
One more pair of gloves and this L rod for opening the tire if I need to. So here it is. The third bag is packed, ready to get inside the pan. It's quite heavy. Okay, let me know if it's good till now. Let me know how you feel about the packing, whether I've overpacked, whether I've underpacked, whether I'm carrying too many stuff. Should I reduce the luggage? I would love to know from you. So give me your reviews on how you feel about this packing, and do remember this is for 10 days.